This idea of flux is constant in my work. Like nothing is ever finished somehow. This desire to think about different forms of exhibition making.
Kapwani Kiwanga's created the exhibition plot, an exhibition staged across 3 acts.
The first act occupies the middle hall. It's an installation with inflatable sculptures, but also large paintings on fabric. The second act will take place in December and is a procession in which there's a link between the outside natural world, bringing that into the space of the museum. And the third act will again be reaching out to the exterior. When you first walk in, you might see one predominant color, and then you might turn slightly to the left and right and another color will appear. So it's more dynamic than a painting on a wall.
Round every corner there's a sense of surprise. Through every curtain one can begin to detect different shapes and forms, which actually brings them through a bit like a labyrinth.
The paint is applied using an airbrush, taking different inspiration from natural color gradients, and the painting artists who are able to expand that into a much larger scale. A layer is put down, another layer is put down. Some time is given to let the paint dry and then applied again.
We were asking questions about not just how one can access a work of art within a museum during a global health pandemic, but also the idea that an artwork can change, alter, shift, shrink, expand, really reflective of the times in which we find ourselves.
Monuments could be marble, they could be granite, but monuments can also be things which are less rigid. And I think there's something about fluidity, flexibility, which are quite powerful tools, and I think much more suited to where I propose ways forward.